Hello everyone, welcome to Kickstart. So now we will see the illustration of relational operators. So what are relational operators? They are greater than, less than, greater than equal to and not equal to. So these are the types of relational operator that we are going to look at. So let's write a code for the illustration. So let's ask our user for two numbers, int a and b. Now cout, enter the value of a and b and L for the execution of later part of the code from the next line. Now cin a and b. Okay, now let's use the if statement. If a equal to b, this is the use of our first relational operator, that is equal to. If a equal to b, then we will print cout a is equal to b. Okay, now another relational operator, that is greater than. If a is greater than b, then we will print cout a is greater than b. Now let's use the another relation operator, that is less than. If a is less than b, then we will print a is less than b. Okay, and then similarly you can use other operators such as greater than equal to, or less than equal to, or not equal to. Now let's run the code. Enter the value of a and b. Let's say 12 and 45. So a is less than b. Thank you.